1, 2, 3, go! So I'm going to teach my mom see if she's ready for this firing squad. No, firing. Okay, there she. Ready na ka ma'am para sa firing squad?
Yes!
Okay, mag-practice tag sa pagpusil kay sa paray ka raw sa mabilin dire. Dili ka maglisod sa pagpusil og squirrel. Okay? Ready?
Okay, ready, yes!
Go. Fire. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Next, more.
Gilawon pa pare.
Dili ka na babaw. Okay, go. Alright, go. Alright. Good. May balik sa. Ito sa imuhang shooting practice today.
Oh, di nindot kayo kay kagunit ko. Warmas.
Mubalik pagka-practice, dili na.
Okay, balik gyapon. Yes, balik.
Lisod gamiton or dili?
Sayon ra.
Okay. Wala ka nakapatay squirrel karon.
Wala pa, kay wala ko kitag squirrel.
Ano sa ka maghunting?
Karon rang sulod adlaw. Tanawa. Erin. Tanawa niya ninyo kay magpusil kog squirrel.
Okay. Her my mama that she's having fun with that pistol, so I'm gonna teach her more so that she will not forget how to use it, and in case if I'm not here, so she can use it anytime. So and she's not scared to use it anymore. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you have fun about it.